Hey everyone! Are you stuck with Ubuntu Linux in a dual boot setup with Windows 11 and want to safely remove it without messing up your system? In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to remove Ubuntu Linux and restore your Windows 11 bootloader so you can use your PC without any issues. Let's get started. Now, let's delete the Ubuntu partitions from your system. Right-click on Start menu and select Disk Management. Look for the partitions used by Ubuntu. They usually don't have a drive letter and are labeled as ext4, Linux swap, or EFI system partition. Right-click on Ubuntu partition and choose Delete Volume. Click on Confirm the deletion. You'll now have an allocated space on your drive. After deleting the Ubuntu partitions, you can either create a new partition using the unallocated space or extend an existing partition. Right-click on an adjacent partition and select Extend Volume to add the free space to it. This step is optional if you don't want to reallocate the space immediately. Now, we need to fix the Windows bootloader to remove Ubuntu from the boot menu. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, and run it as administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. Now type in disk part. Hit Enter. Type in list disk. Select disk 0. Again, list volume. Now first go and check the EFI partition before starting to select the drive. Now type Select Volume 1, which is FAT32, and hit Enter. Assign any letter to this drive like F or any other letter of your choice. Type in Exit. Type in the letter we assign, which is F. Press Enter. Type in DIR. Press Enter. Type in CDEFI. Press Enter. Type in DIR and press Enter. Type in CD space Ubuntu and press Enter. Now type in this and press Enter. Again, type in this. Type in this last code and press Enter. Type in later Y for yes and hit Enter. Type in DIR to check. And there you go. You've successfully removed Ubuntu Linux from your dual boot setup on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.